Hey everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps closing on Pixiv. You will click on settings. You will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search for Pixiv and you will click here. You will click on first stop and you will click OK. You will go to storage. You will click on clear cache. You will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's it. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your